Talking intro, talking intro. Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Acer Aspire Go 15, the AG15 series. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer, the correct talking intro. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now there are 10 screws in this bottom case. After you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and you're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from your computer. It's generally best to start near the rear, near one of the two hinge assemblies. I found it easiest from this middle section right here to start prying it up. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it, go to the other side, and continue in the other direction. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the replacement or upgrade components for this specific model, the AG1551P, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to remove or at least unplug your battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Here's your battery right down here. It's held in by these two screws on either side, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now, as with any cables or wires in a computer, avoid pulling on them when at all possible. Just manipulate the plug. So as you see here, there's a grip on either side, so you can use a pry tool or your fingernails to wiggle that out of that port right there. If you pull on wires or cables in a computer, you could damage them, and sometimes you can pull them right out of the plug. So it's always best just to work on the plug itself. So you have two speakers in this computer, one near the bottom left of my screen, one near the bottom right. The bottom right one is these white and blue wires that come here under your solid state drive and plug into the motherboard here. If you do need to remove your solid state drive to access that, it's a single screw right here near the bottom, and then this solid state drive will pull out of this port there. This left speaker goes the black and red wires up here, plugs into motherboard right there. So again, as a reminder, do not pull out on these wires. They are especially fragile, these speaker wires. Just pull the plug out of the port right there. Also, these speakers are not actually screwed down. If you see these colored rubber washers over the posts for sound insulation, that's all that's holding them down. So you can wiggle that right off of those posts if you're looking to get those speakers out. Now, I guess another thing to shout out with these speakers is if you are having sound quality issues, if your audio is not consistent across different software, it could be that your speakers are bad and they may need to be replaced, but more likely it's a system or driver issue. If you would like help troubleshooting that, I will have a video link below in the description. It'll show you how to make sure that your system and your drivers are fully updated. But that's it for this video, how to get inside the Aspire Go 15 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.